Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So today I am going to play Guess the Indians. So this is very easy for me as I'm Indian. I can just do it without reading it. I don't need to wait and see. I've played a little bit of this, but I actually know everything. I can never forget this. Hehe, the Great Khali. I don't know if it's this or this, so I choose this. Imran Hashmi. I think this. Oh, I didn't know. Who's Katrina now? This? This again. I know this. Who's this? I can't. This is so easy, bro. So easy. I think this. Oh. I don't. Rohit. What happened? This? Oh. I don't know actually. America. Easy. Sunil Ghetri. Who's that? I mean, this only. Rajnikant. I guess so. This? Ah. What's happening? PV Sindhu. This? Shubhan Gill. This? Ow. I think this? Allu Arjun. I guess so. This? Oh. I didn't know the answers. I can't believe I did this. Oh, nice. I thought it's finished. Well, it's not. What's happening? I don't want to click this. This is so hard. I mean, not hard, but actually kind of cringe. For Indians, it's super easy. But I did not know some of them. Some of them I didn't know. I just went to enemy and it was being through like I can't believe it. I'm a noob. I'm not good at parkours. Aha. Well, I'm pro and play together. Yeah, I'm addicted to it. This I don't play too much. All day. I play it sometimes because exams. No. Okay. I just. Hee. Ignore it. I'm sick, so I don't upload so I'll not be uploading. Wait, but I'm feeling better, so you don't have to worry. Well, nobody's going to worry. Oh, oh, fire! I'm here, fire. No. Oh, okay. This is fine. Eek. Yikes. 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 This is a kind of cringe, guy. I don't know the meaning of cringe even. So I'll meet you after completing it. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.